Okay, now that you've finished using your Smart I, we recommend once a month or every 10 hours of use that you flush the system. Okay, flushing the boiler is virtually the only maintenance you need to do to get the calcium out. So to flush the system, you must lift it to its highest setting. So like I showed before, lift it all the way up and then use the drain tray that we gave you. Put that underneath the boiler. Sits like that. Okay. Make sure you do it when it's cold, only when it's cold and everything's off. Open the drain plug and the water that's inside the system should slowly come out, and that'll remove any impurities that may be in the system. If your washer is perished, give us a call and we'll send you a new one, okay, because that's important for the seal. So that's taking the water out that's inside the stainless steel boiler, by the way. If you want the water to go a bit faster, just open the top plug. That'll create an airflow and allow the water to come out a bit quicker. Now, you've removed the calcium, you'll get little bits of sand or salt in there, okay, from the water. One last thing I'm going to show you is how to flush the system. The lid of your water tank becomes a funnel. See how it's got the funnel mechanism in there? Sit it inside the hole that you've removed from the pressure cap at the top. Put some water in the tank. As you sit that on top of the lid, the spring and the pin will line up, and then it flushes the system. Have a look down the bottom here. It goes through the boiler and flushes the system and cleans out any impurities that might be in there. So we recommend you do this once a month or every 10 hours of use. Very important to clean the calcium that's in the water out of your system. Even though you've got a filter built into the machine, it's always a good idea to rinse regularly. Okay? If you need any help, give us a call.